But first of all, let's talk about your super YouTube aliens FIFA. That is a shame. You quitted YouTube and left for 10 for months, then it did a comeback because you were a threat. I know you can't rap, that's why you are a threat. Your videos are shit, that's why they don't fit on YouTube. You prick! Yeah, let's go again. You're retarded, you super little kid. By the way, you look like Sid, so I stand on my outer feet, rapping about you on the speed. How the fuck did you get 100 subs so fast? But all you did was talking shit and crap. You weren't up your GCs, but were they really real? Because they look like you bought them from Brazil. This track is fire, but you were a desire. That's why you can't spit some fire. You're making feedback openings just to get the token things. Woo! You were a living meme, but now I broke that dream. Playing football like you were some kind of pro, but you are just a new bro. Hey, hey. Your profile pic and thumbnails are ugly. They look like freaking deadly. And by that means, they're the worst ever. Haha! Fuck you, alien. Sook army. This was fire. And yeah, love you guys. Peace!